How to change language in Oracle 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change the language. First of all, open the application. Now here on the card option, you'll be able to see settings. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here on the top at the first option, you'll be able to see language. Tap on language. So here are some limited language that you can change into. So simply scroll and select the language that you are familiar or want to change the interface into. So here I'm tapping on one language and it will take some time, and as you can see it has been completely changed. So if you go back, the whole interface has been changed too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.